Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy orange or tangelo slice that do not need any baking. You just need to chill them in the fridge. So we have here in front of us 500 grams of wine biscuits or any plain biscuits. I crush them in the food processor. If you do not have a food processor, just put the biscuits in a bag and use a rolling pin and just crush it out that way. 200 grams of melted butter, 2 cups of desiccated coconut, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, about 2 of the orange or tangelos rind, and then we have here 2 cups of icing sugar, about 50 grams of softened butter, and we're going to use 2 to 3 tablespoons of the Tangelo orange juice to make the icing on top. So let's get started. So firstly, we're going to make the base for the slice. So we add into the biscuit scrum the melted butter, and then the rind, and the coconut, and then the condensed milk. Just gonna mix everything in. So we're just gonna mix everything in well. So now it's all mixed well. We're just going to transfer that into the baking tin and press it down. Make sure you grease your baking tin with oil, and then we're going to transfer this biscuit mixture. We're going to divide them into half each and you're going to press it down. So now we're just going to press the top down. So using a spoon, just level it down and press it firmly to the base of the tin. So now the base is all leveled up, we're just going to put it in the fridge to chill while we prepare the icing for the top. Now we're going to do the icing for the top of the slice. So add in the icing sugar into the bowl, and then the softened butter. Gonna add in a tablespoon of the orange or tangerine juice at a time until it's all mixing. So now we're just gonna spread the icing on top of the base. Take it out from the fridge. Do the same for the other tin. So now both tins are all smooth for the icing. We just gonna use a fork and just make a squiggle. Then we're going to cover them with plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge overnight or for at least 4 hours until the slice is all firmed up before you cut them up. So here's our orange tangelo slice that's been in the fridge for overnight. You can actually leave it for about 4 to 6 hours or until it's firm. So now we can cut it up and try. So now we can just cut it out. You can cut it in square or triangle or rectangle, how big or small you like it. I'm going to cut it into a square. So now the slice is being cut. You can actually store them in the fridge for up to 2 weeks in an airtight container. Just cut them all up and put it in the fridge. Or if you want to freeze them, you can put them in the freezer up to 3 months. So this thing is really good. We can pull it apart and just take out the slice at a time. So very nice orange tangelo slice. So hope you enjoyed today's baking, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to see you again next time.